What if I told you your bedroom might be the reason you're not sleeping deeply at night? Not your mattress, not your phone, not even stress alone, but the air you breathe while you sleep. Most people don't realize that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, and that directly affects your sleep quality, energy levels, and even morning mood. Now here's the secret most interior designers don't talk about. Certain tall bedroom plants don't just decorate your room, they actively improve your sleep environment. They filter toxins, increase oxygen levels, add natural humidity, and even reduce stress just by being present in your space. Imagine waking up feeling more refreshed, breathing cleaner air, and sleeping deeper without changing anything except adding a few green companions to your room. In this video, you're going to discover the 10 best tall bedroom plants for better sleep. Plants that not only look luxurious, but also transform your bedroom into a calm, peaceful sleep sanctuary. Some of these plants are low maintenance, some grow fast, and some actually work overnight while you sleep. Let's begin transforming your bedroom into a natural sleep upgrade. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is often called the ultimate bedroom plant, and for good reason. It's tall, bold, and almost impossible to kill, even if you forget to water it for weeks. But what makes it powerful for sleep is something special. It releases oxygen at night instead of during the day like most plants. That means while you're sleeping, it's actively improving your air quality. It also filters toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, commonly found in indoor furniture and paint. Another benefit? It thrives in low light, making it perfect for bedrooms with minimal sunlight. A tall snake plant placed in a corner instantly adds a modern, architectural look to your room while silently working in the background. If you're a beginner or someone who doesn't want high-maintenance plants, this is your safest choice. It's not just a plant, it's a natural air purifier that works 24/7. Number 2. Areca Palm. The Areca Palm is like bringing a luxury resort into your bedroom. With its tall, feathery fronds, it instantly softens the atmosphere and creates a calming tropical vibe. But it's not just about looks. This plant acts as a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air. That's especially helpful if you live in a dry environment or use air conditioning at night. Dry air often leads to irritation, poor sleep, and discomfort. But the Areca Palm helps balance that naturally. It also improves indoor air freshness by filtering pollutants, making your breathing feel lighter and cleaner. Because it grows tall and wide, it works beautifully in empty bedroom corners where furniture doesn't fit well. The result? A more alive, breathable, and peaceful sleeping environment. If your goal is to make your bedroom feel like a spa retreat, the Areca Palm is a must-have. Number 3. Peace lily. The peace lily is one of the most elegant bedroom plants you can own. With its glossy green leaves and soft white flowers, it adds a calming visual balance to any room, but its real power is hidden. It helps remove airborne toxins like mold spores and volatile chemicals, improving overall air quality. It also increases humidity, which can make breathing easier, especially during sleep. For people with allergies, this plant can make a noticeable difference in comfort at night. The peace lily is also known for absorbing certain indoor pollutants and improving freshness in closed spaces. Place it near your bed or a dim corner, and it creates a soft, peaceful atmosphere that naturally reduces stress. It doesn't just sit in your room, it actively contributes to a healthier sleeping environment. Lavender. Lavender is not just a plant, it's a natural sleep therapy tool. Its calming fragrance has been scientifically linked to reduced anxiety and improved sleep quality. Just the scent alone can slow your heart rate and relax your nervous system before bed. Even though it's not extremely tall by default, when grown in larger pots indoors, it can develop into a fuller, more decorative plant. Placing lavender in your bedroom allows you to enjoy its soothing aroma naturally without sprays or artificial scents. It helps signal your brain that it's time to relax and unwind. This makes it especially powerful for people who struggle with insomnia or overthinking at night. Visually, It also adds a soft purple-green contrast that enhances bedroom aesthetics. Lavender doesn't just improve sleep, it improves the entire nighttime mood of your room. Number 5. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is a bold statement piece for any bedroom. With its thick, glossy leaves and tall, upright growth, it instantly adds a modern, luxurious feel to your space. But beyond aesthetics, it also helps improve indoor air quality by filtering pollutants. It absorbs airborne toxins and contributes to a cleaner breathing environment. One of its biggest advantages is how well it adapts to indoor lighting conditions. It doesn't require direct sunlight and can grow steadily in moderate light. Because it grows tall over time, it's perfect for filling empty, vertical space in bedrooms. It creates a sense of balance and greenery without overwhelming the room. The rubber plant is ideal for people who want a stylish yet functional bedroom plant that improves both design and air. Quality. Number 6. Bamboo Palm. The bamboo palm brings a soft, natural elegance to any bedroom. Its tall, arching fronds create a relaxing, spa-like environment that instantly reduces visual stress. One of its biggest benefits is its ability to filter indoor air pollutants, while also adding humidity. This combination makes your sleeping environment feel fresher and more breathable. It thrives in indirect light, making it perfect for indoor bedroom placement. Because of its gentle leaf movement and natural flow, it creates a calming psychological effect as well. It's often used in wellness spaces and hotels for exactly this reason. It promotes relaxation without effort. If your bedroom feels dry, dull, or lifeless, the bamboo palm is a perfect transformation plant. Number 7. Dracaena. Corn plant. Dracaena, especially the corn plant variety, is one of the most reliable tall indoor bedroom plants. It has strong upright stems and long green leaves that bring structure and height to your room. One of its main benefits is air purification. It helps remove toxins commonly found in indoor environments. It's also extremely low maintenance, making it ideal for busy people or beginners. It grows slowly but steadily, which means it maintains its shape beautifully over time. Dracaena works especially well in corners or next to furniture where vertical space needs filling. It adds a clean, organized look while quietly improving air quality in the background. This plant is perfect for people who want something stylish, functional, and easy to manage. Number 8. Monstera deliciosa. The Monstera deliciosa is one of the most iconic indoor plants in modern home design. Its large, split leaves create a dramatic and tropical aesthetic that instantly upgrades any bedroom. It grows tall and wide, making it perfect as a statement piece. Beyond looks, Monstera also contributes to better indoor air quality and overall freshness. It helps create a more relaxing environment by increasing natural greenery exposure, which has been linked to reduced stress levels. Because of its bold structure, it works best in spacious bedrooms where it can grow freely. It's not just a plant, it's a visual experience that transforms your space into something luxurious and calming. Number 9. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is known for being one of the toughest indoor plants in the world. It can survive low light, irregular watering, and minimal care. But despite its toughness, it brings major benefits to bedroom environments. Its glossy green leaves help improve indoor air perception and add freshness to dull spaces. It grows upright, making it suitable for corners or tight bedroom areas. One of its biggest advantages is consistency. It stays healthy with very little attention. For people who want greenery without responsibility, stress, this is the perfect plant. It quietly enhances the room without demanding anything in return. Number 10. Pothos is usually known as a trailing plant, but when trained vertically, it becomes a stunning tall bedroom feature. It grows fast and adapts easily to different conditions. One of its strongest benefits is its ability to absorb indoor pollutants, improving air freshness. It's also incredibly easy to maintain, making it ideal for beginners. When guided upward on a pole or frame, It creates a lush, vertical green wall effect. This makes it perfect for modern bedroom aesthetics. It brings movement, softness, and natural energy into your space without requiring much care. If you want fast visual transformation, Pothos is one of the best choices. So here's the truth. Better sleep doesn't always come from expensive mattresses or supplements. Sometimes, it starts with something as simple as adding the right plants to your bedroom. Each of these 10 tall plants does more than decorate your space. They clean your air, improve humidity, reduce stress, and create a natural environment your body recognizes as safe and calming. Your bedroom should not just be a place to sleep, it should be a place that helps you recover. Even choosing just 2 or 3 of these plants can completely change how your room feels at night. Calmer, fresher, more alive. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which plant you want to add first. And remember, sometimes the secret to better sleep isn't changing your life, it's changing your environment.